Hello everyone, I am Ehsanul Hoque. I am currently finishing up my doctoral studies in the Faculty of Medicine in the University of Oulu, and basically I am a dental surgeon, and I am working on a project which is related to cancer, which is a really deadly disease. And prior to my study in the University of Oulu, I worked in the Bars and the London of College of Medicine and Dentistry, and then I continued here in the Tulasalu lab to continue the project. So the cells, if we think, they are like any living organism, and any living organism, they like to be surrounded by an environment, their surrounding elements. So what we focus in Oulu is how the surrounding elements of a cell or a living tissue affects the movement of cancer cells, how the cancer cells they divide, how the cancer cells they spread, and how to control them using different drug models. And in our lab in Oulu, we have developed the world's first human cancer model, and it's in collaboration with Oulu University Hospital and Tampere University Hospital, and we have used that in many models to study different modes of cancer. And we have shown that this model can be used comparable with the available commercial models, which are not human-based, to study the drug efficacy on human cancer patients. So the project has different sides. The first one is to develop the translational medicine part. The second one is to develop a method to see how the cells they attach with each other. Do they spread from one another? Do they relapse, or do they really become enlarged when in cancerous situation of a patient? And by using microscopic approaches and by analyzing them with algorithm-based mathematical analysis methods and softwares, I have worked to find out how it really looks quantitatively and also qualitatively. And in our group in Oulu, we have developed several drug targets, and in my project I focused on basically one drug target for using to use in cancer medicine, and that drug will be hopefully we'll use the drug after in vivo studies and also further studies. So for the project I have learned different techniques, cell biology techniques, biomedical engineering techniques, also biomedicine, and especially how to work in a collaborative project with the collaborators, and also in a multidisciplinary project with also working with people from different fields around the world. And through working this project, I have learned the rhythm of a good working environment in a lab, and I am really cooperative with my colleagues. I am really cooperative with my students, and I am always there to learn, and I am always there to teach if I know anything. If someone asks me something and if I don't know the answer, I always say no, but I get back to them and I try to solve the problem. I think that is one of my competitiveness. And after finishing the doctoral project, I want to continue in R&D, research and development, preferably as a postdoctoral researcher in a very well-known esteemed group, in a very well-known university, and also as a researcher in some drug development company or some biomedical engineering company. And I think I can really give my efforts, and I can really contribute in developing some novel idea which really can be brought into help of cancer patients and also other diseases.